In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Cruze key fob. There are two versions of this device out there. I have the 4-button version. You might have the 3-button version, but as long as it's this Cruze device with the flipping key, you can just follow along. The process is going to be the same, and the battery is the same as well. This whole process will take under 5 minutes, and the only thing you will need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver and, of course, one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can go check that out. That'll take you right over to Amazon, where you can get this device for just a few dollars. Now, the first step is to turn the device over and look on the back side, right where this metal key ring area is. If you look in there, you can see there is a little opening right here. We're going to use this to pop off the back section of plastic. So take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that opening, and then we're just going to hold the device gently. Don't push down on this piece, because that's what we will be removing. And then you just want to pry up. Just going to carefully pry off of this metal piece until this is starting to come up, and then you can just remove it with your fingers. And now we have access to the battery. You can see in here, there's actually a little symbol showing you this is where your flathead goes. There's a little plastic tab that's holding it into place. We want to go right next to that and just get under the battery and pry a little bit to push it out from under that little tab. There we go. You can see, I'll just do that once more for you. Coming in right where that little arrow is pointing, you're just going to get under the battery and pry it up. There we go. Once you get it out, just dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery, and when you put it in, make sure this positive side is facing up. You want to put that in with the plus sign facing up, and you'll just push it into place until it's sitting in there nicely. And now all we need to do is click the back of the device back on there. So squeeze it on there, and with that you are finished and ready to go. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back to our channel here. We have videos for almost every device from every maker model out there, and you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.